Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to change the home directory of a user in AlmaLinux. To change the home directory of a user, you can use the usermod command followed by the -d option. For example, we want to change John's home directory. Let's check the current home directory of John first. The output will look something like this, and John's home directory in under home folder named John. Now let's change the home directory of John to John Doe. And username. Let's check it. Now John's home directory has been changed to John Doe. Now we want to reverse this change and set the home directory back to John folder. And check it again. Now John Doe folder has been changed to John back again. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more Linux administration videos. Drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.